So here we go. Topps Inception Case 10 dual box break number 1. And 1120. And here's everybody up in it. All right. Let's do it. We'll work out of the left-hand side here. All right. Good luck. Here you go. I still really like Inception. Everything's cut perfect, so, and I haven't seen too many people grading the Inception yet, but if you hit something worthy, make sure to get it graded, dude. Here's Adrian Peterson. You got Big Ben. Robert Mathis. We've seen this guy all night. How about a little Eddie Lacy, 30 out of 99. Logan Thomas, and that's 130 out of 215. Then you got Marquise Lee, and that's 17 out of 99, going to Jacksonville. Flex, there you go, bub. So nice on-card auto of Marquise Lee, and then you got Austin Severian Jenkins going to Tampa Bay, so Stevie F picking up. Next box here for you guys. So we're going to wrap it up after this box, and we'll be back on Sunday for Sunday Fun Day. Yes, that's correct. And then after Sunday Fun Day, I'll package everything up, get it all shipped out to you guys. So make sure to submit your hits if you hit anything this past week or this weekend, coming up. Here's Denarius Moore. Danny Amendola. Victor Cruz. Then you got short print Mike Glennon, 34 to 99, back to Tampa Bay. And then you got Eddie, 33, 122. Devontae Adams, 2-color patch. Going to Ed, 86. There you go, bub. And then this is going to be short print. How about a little Michael Sam? 36 out of 75, 3-color patch going to STL Tubbs JJB. There you go, brother. And then last but not least, little Taj Boyd on card going to be Beard. So nothing wild out of there. Save these boxes for you guys. It's all you. And all right, awesome. Well, you guys have a great rest of your Friday.